What's good with y'all? I'm coming at y'all with another video, another review. We down here at Joe Buddy Racing. Hope y'all enjoyed the other review. Like I said, this is a new series we doing, collaborating on. So today, this is what we got. We got some more LED headlights. There you go, so y'all see them. Let me see. Make sure y'all see them. I want to make sure y'all can see them good. There you go. Call upside down. Call. I really don't know how to say that. To be honest with you, Simdevanma or something. But what I'm about to do is I'm about to install them on my wife 2005 GMC Denali, which I just got for Christmas as a Christmas present. So we about to hook it up, put the LEDs in there. Y'all know I gotta have LEDs and everything I got. And Simdevanma. I know I'm probably saying it wrong.
Yeah, you gotta get it right.
I gotta get it right. Y'all know down here.
Right.
Hey, they sponsored the video. They were generous enough to sponsor this video, so we about to try their lights out and see what they look like. And we finna get to that now. So this the truck. I just got her week before Christmas. She been one. I'll show y'all the inside stuff right quick. Fully loaded, all of that. It's a nice truck, sunroof, TV. So, you know, I gotta make sure the wife is riding good. And these the headlights that we're about to get taken out. They're actually real simple to take out. Y'all see this? I just noticed this. So we ordered some new lights. We got some new lenses coming, but I want to go ahead and get this video done. So they got it zip tied. You know, the plastic right here mess up and breaks, but this is how you take them loose. You just pull these rods out, and normally take that other one out, which we don't have one over there, but it'll come with the new lights.
It's there. I don't know.
Oh, it is there. I ain't never looked. So it is there, but we're gonna cut the zip ties loose. But normally the lights will just pop out now. Oh, it would. So what they got?
I'm trying to figure out what the zip tie doing.
Me too. Why they got a zip tie?
We gonna cut it off.
We gonna cut it off. We got some more. Then we're gonna get the lights popped in. So let me show y'all the bulb while we doing that. All right. So quick unboxing. Come in nice little box. It'll tell. You can look on the side, make sure you receive the right order, which they did. And let's see. Plug and play too. Y'all know. Most of y'all know right now they plug and play. But they come in these individual small boxes. And got a styrofoam protector. Let's see. This the bulb right here. They nicely constructed too. Definitely got a nice size fan on them. I like that. That's real important. Y'all know I've been dealing with these LEDs, as most of y'all know. So that's real important, because that bulb get hot, it'll blow real fast. Won't have a long lifespan on it. This the plug. And this actually the low beam. So this is 9005. And Uncle already got it.
Here's the one I took out of it, so this would be.
Yeah, that's it. It's the old bulb. Hold on, let's look at the connectors. That's the connector, y'all. Let me see the connector on that one, so y'all can see. Same connector. See how they spread out? All right, y'all. So this where we at. We got the low beam in. We got the wrong bulb for that. That was my fault. So these truck actually use two 9005 bulbs. So we got that low beam in. We're gonna install the light back, and what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get a front shot, and we're gonna turn the lights on so y'all can see the regular halogen light over here and see it in comparison with the LED over here. Then we're gonna get this side done and turn both of them on. All right, y'all. So we got the driver's side in, and that's the passenger. And that's the difference right there with the halogen and the LED. So now we're gonna get both in and show y'all the after. All right, y'all. So We got the other side in, low beam. I'm gonna turn the lights on before we reinstall so y'all can see the fans working and all of that. I can tell y'all this off the top. I do like I like the way the lights look. They got like a bluish tint kinda, and I like that versus ultra white. Oh, we gotta reverse them up. We gotta reverse the plug. These things do got polarity and stuff too, y'all, so you know. So if you plug them up and they don't come on, just turn it and flip it. Just reverse it and then it'll come on.
Oh man. Hey, I'm sorry, people. I'm sorry. I plugged it up, Bow.
Hey, it's easy to do, y'all. They look the same car. I done did it plenty of times.
My bad.
And boom, we got them. That's all y'all gotta do. And see the fan turning. Here, see it, all of that. They keep the bulb cool. They quiet too. That's a real quiet fan. And I'm not just saying this car, I done dealt with 3 or 4 different types of bulbs. The fans can be noisy at times because you can hear them sometimes after you cut your car off. But they real quiet. So, we're gonna get it put back in so y'all can see. All right, y'all, so here go the finished product right here. We got both ends, super bright, 10 times better. I like the tint. I always like the kind of bluish tint, but not just straight blue like a HID. Fan quiet. You can barely hear the fans. That's a good thing. I done dealt with LEDs where the fan kind of loud, so back up so y'all can see. And that's what we got. So that's the end of this review video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I got the link in the description if you want to purchase these LEDs and all of that. I got the discount code, the Simdevanma LEDs, stamp of approval. I like them. If I didn't, I would tell y'all. I gotta keep it real. I have to let them know too, cause that's what it's about. It's a review, so it got to be honest. It's an honest review. So if I do like them. I like them, and you know, if you want to get some yourself, like I said, click the link in the description. Make sure you look up what bulb you need first and choose that right bulb for your car, for your application. These were 9005s. This is a 05 Denali. They use 2 9005 bulbs, so make sure you choose the right bulb and just enter the discount code in the description. All of that is down below, so make sure you look in the description of this video, enter all of that stuff. And a big shout out to Simdevanma again for the sponsoring this video and stuff. And I hope y'all enjoy your day, all of that good stuff. We down here at Joe Buddy Racing. We're gonna keep them coming. We out.